स्वागत है आपका फिर से आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जिसका नाम है हमारा स्टडी पॉइंट। मैं शैलेश मौर्य तहे दिल से आप सबका स्वागत करता हूँ आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है हमारा स्टडी पॉइंट। नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं फिर से आपके सामने एक बार प्रस्तुत हूँ कुछ नई चीज़ों के साथ, कुछ नई जानकारियों के साथ, जिससे हमारे बच्चों को ये जो जानकारी हम देते हैं इनका बेनिफिट मिले, इनका फ़ायदा मिले और वो अपनी ज़िंदगी में कुछ चीज़ों को सीख सके बिना किसी की हेल्प के, बिना किसी के सलाह मशवरा के वो चीज़ों को खुद से कर सके। तो इस पर्पज़ से मैं ये वीडियो बनाता हूँ जिससे इसका बेनिफिट हमारे बच्चों को मिले। जब वो लैब वगैरह में जाते हैं, प्रैक्टिकल करने जाते हैं, तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारी को प्रॉब्लम होती है, दिक्कतें होती हैं, टीचर से कंसल्ट करते हैं, तो इसका बेनिफिट उनको मिलेगा और वो खुद से बहुत सारी चीज़ों को कर सकते हैं। और जब वो खुद से करेंगे तो चीज़ें उनको समझ में आएगी और उसका फ़ायदा उनको मिलेगा, उनका लाभ उनको मिलेगा। So once again, I am going to explain a new equipment and the use and the benefits of that for the process of titration. I am going to explain you about my equipment that this is our new equipment which is known as burette. इसको बेटा हम burette बोलते हैं और इस पर रीडिंग आपकी होती है 0 to 50 ml तक की मार्क होती है। नीचे एक नोजल होता है, by help of which we can pour the liquid which is filled inside it. So first precaution for the use of burette that you must close the nozzle for the use of burette, otherwise when you fill the liquid it may be get fall down. So first we have to close the nozzle of the burette like this. After that, this is a burette stand and this is a clamp. It is used to hold the burette. So we have to hold the burette like this in this clamp, but the precaution is that the reading must be in front of us so that we may observe its reading clearly. So the marking reading must be in front of our face. After that, if we have to fill the liquid inside it, we have to use an instrument known as funnel. So funnel must be used for filling the liquid. It may be KMnO4, potassium permanganate, it may be oxalic acid, it may be more salt, or it may be NaOH, dilute acid, any liquid. If we have to fill inside the burette, we must have to use funnel. Now I am going to fill this liquid KMnO4 inside the burette. Just see, like this. I am going to fill it. Just see. So as if some amount of liquid maybe get increases, we have to make it up to reading our 0. But first precaution is that we have to remove this funnel. After filling the liquid, we have to remove this funnel, otherwise it may affect our reading because few drops of KMnO4 or any liquid may be stick with the wall of the funnel, which may affect our reading. So we have to make it 0 from bottom like this, and after that 0 reading is marked. So up to this mark reading, next for the process of titration, we have to take the liquid which we have to titrate against this solution, must be filled in the conical flask like this, and it should be kept at the bottom of this burette like this, and we have to drop the reagent drop by drop into this conical flask and stir the mixture so that the process of titration may be performed smoothly and properly. We have to follow the liquid or chemical which is filled inside the burette drop by drop. So to avoid the wrong measurement or wrong scale, we have to drop the chemical which is filled inside burette drop by drop, and after that the required changes we have to off the burette from the bottom nozzle and mark the reading. For this process, we have to take this reading for 2 or 3 times. Then we have to fulfill it further for 0, or we have to mark it as an initial point. And after that, the titration, the liquids is used, considered to be as a final point. And when we are going to subtract the distance between initial and final point, we are going to calculate the amount of reagent used for various reading. So there is 2 methods for this. Otherwise, for first method, if we are going to fill it again up to level 0, or once the reading is made, mark that point as initial, and after titration mark the final point and subtract it. Then again we are going to get the required chemical used for the process of titration. So either we can fulfill it from 0, or we can take it mark as initial and final and subtract the reading to get the required amount for the process of titration. I hope This may give a support to my dear students to perform their experiment in the laboratory by themselves. Thank you for watching and cooperation. Once again, I am humbly request you all my dear students, please follow the instructions and see the steps and methods and try to understand and try to learn the things so that you may perform your things by yourself. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again.